In a world where technology is evolving at breakneck speed, the way we live, work, and learn is constantly being redefined. Imagine having access to an expert in any field, available 24/7, ready to guide you. ChatGPT can be your personal tutor, helping you develop new skills, whether it's coding, cooking, or mastering a new language. No more endless searches, just ask ChatGPT and get concise, accurate information tailored to your needs. Stuck on a math problem? ChatGPT provides step-by-step explanations, building your confidence and understanding. So, learning a new language is easier with ChatGPT. Practice conversational skills, grammar, and expand your vocabulary, all at your own pace. In today's competitive job market, standing out can be tough. Let ChatGPT be your career coach, from resume crafting to interview prep. Prepare for interviews by simulating questions and getting feedback, ensuring you walk in confident and ready. Thinking of a career change? ChatGPT helps you explore new fields, understand qualifications, and find the right path. Mental health is crucial. ChatGPT offers tools like guided meditations, stress relief exercises, and reflective conversations to support your well-being. ChatGPT can provide journaling prompts or engage in a reflective conversation, helping you process your thoughts and emotions. Financial stability is key to a secure future. ChatGPT assists in budgeting, saving, and making informed investment decisions. Set up a budget, manage expenses, and work towards your financial goals with real-time advice from ChatGPT. Whether you're new to investing or experienced, ChatGPT explains different options and helps you choose wisely. Creativity is a vital outlet. ChatGPT can be your brainstorming partner, helping you develop ideas and refine your creative projects. Learn new artistic techniques, explore different mediums, and get feedback on your work with ChatGPT by your side. Your health is your wealth. ChatGPT can help you stay fit, eat healthy, and build habits for overall wellness. Get workout routines tailored to your goals and fitness level, making consistent progress easier. Plan balanced meals and explore healthy recipes that fit your dietary needs with ChatGPT. Effective time management is key. ChatGPT helps you streamline tasks, prioritize work, and maximize productivity. Identify high-priority tasks with ChatGPT and focus on what truly matters to achieve better results. Productivity isn't just about getting more done. It's about getting the right things done. With ChatGPT, build habits that lead to sustained success. ChatGPT is more than just a tool. It's a catalyst for transformation, helping you live a more fulfilling, balanced, and successful life. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more insights on how to make the most out of ChatGPT. Your journey to transformation begins here.